Racing just is started. We a big bang bong break quickly restart barefoot contest Delgado Wild Wind is done on the inside, then comes Boogie Wonderland Biodata while Sing a Song is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Delgado takes command by our nose. Wild Wind is running by the rail, and then comes entry number 6 Big Bang Bong barefoot contest and on the outside Sing a Song, Boogie Wonderland and Biodata. Back to the leader, we have Delgado by about half length. Wild Wind in second. Big Bang Bong is racing in third. And Sing a Song moving up. Boogie Wonderland, Biodata and Barefoot Contest. Now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Delgado, Big Bang Bong now moving up for the outside as they swing for home. Big Bang Bong takes command. Delgado, then here comes Biodata now coming closer in third. We have Big Bang Bong followed now by Biodata in second. Big Bang Bong, Biodata is very red. We have Big Bang Bong, Biodata, and finally it's Big Bang Bong, Biodata. Sing a Song. Then comes Wild Wind.